Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So we are in our third resort on this trip and we're at the Gran Destino Tower. So we've stayed here before and we absolutely love this resort. I wasn't gonna do a room tour, but this room is a little bit different. I'll link the other one somewhere down below, maybe somewhere over here, you can check it out. This room is really nice and it's a little bit different and I'm so excited to give you a quick tour. All right, so let me start from the beginning. All right, so you come from the hallway over there and this is our room, 0781. Ta-da! Okay, so this area is like ginormous. Look at this entryway. Huge, huge, so much space. Right here is your bathroom. I want to say everything looks the same except I think the bathroom. I feel like in the other room, the bathroom had its own little area, but that's fine. That doesn't bother me at all. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I heard all of these are gonna be going away soon, so, but I enjoy them. All the storage space definitely feels very roomy, a little bit different layout, but it's a beautiful layout. The showers are gorgeous. You have your door. Ta-da! Okay, so here you have your storage. You know, all your typical things, very nice, safe, iron, luggage rack, ironing board. We have our 2 beds and we have 2 windows. Wait until you see the views. So we have a beautiful area here. I feel like this room has so much more space. So much more space than the other one. Oh, look at these beds. I love this nightstand. It is amazing. It has USB plugs, regular outlets, these little lights. Their bedding is very comfortable. And we have a beautiful huge TV, lots of storage over here. I think it's the fridge, the beverage cooler. Very nice. And these are our views. Oh my God, I am like beyond excited. It's just so stunning. I think last time we were literally somewhere right in the middle and we were looking probably right in the middle of this little lake. But now we have 2 windows and like, oh, look at that bird. Do you see that bird flying? Oh my God, he's gorgeous. So we have amazing view. Like, look at this. You could see like the whole resort. That is my favorite restaurant. We'll be going there. And this is the other view. How amazing. And you could see the pyramid from the pool area right over here. Stunning. Stunning. And you could see a quiet pool over there, so that's something to consider. Very close to us. Very nice. Of course you have beautiful curtains. Stunning. Oh my goodness, now I wish we were staying here for like a week because this room is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Wow. Stunning, gorgeous room. And they gave us the room. I think I had the text message at like 10 o'clock in the morning that our room was ready. Oh my gosh. All right guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick room tour. This room is amazing. I am so excited to be here. Don't forget, if you like this room, it's 0781. Amazing. Amazing. Oh my God, I'm so happy that we're here. If you have any questions, be sure to leave them down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. It really helps us. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you real soon. Bye.